Dear students, welcome to the video class of Foundation course Brahmanaths. Shanti, Shanti, Shanti. Dear students, today I am going to discuss the problems based on previous classes. Let's discuss the problems from the material. Prove that sin 120 degree into cos 420 degree. Prove that sin 120 degree into cos 420 degree plus sin plus cos 150 degree into sin 390 degree is equal to 0. Now take left hand side sin 120 degree into cos 420 degree plus cos 150 degree into sin 390 degree. We know value of sin 120. What is value of sin 120 degree? The value of sin 120 degree is root 3 by 2. Clear? And this is cos 420 degree means we can write 360 degree plus 60 degree. Again we know value of cos 150 degree. What is value of cos 150 degree? Means minus root 3 by 2. And this can be sin 390 degree. That is 390 degree can be written as 360 degree plus 30 degree. Clear? And this is equal to root 3 by 2. Cos 360 degree plus 60 degree means lies in first quadrant. So this is obviously cos 60 degree. Clear? And this is plus minus root 3 by 2. 360 plus 30 degree. That is lies in first quadrant. So sin 360 plus 30 degree means sin 30 degree. Again, that is equal to root 3 by 2. What is the value of cos 60 degree? It is 1 by 2 minus root 3 by 2. What is the value of sin 30 degree? That is 1 by 2. So this amount goes cancel. That is root 3. This amount goes cancel. So answer is 0. RHS. Clear? First write left side. Then value of sin 120 degree means root 3 by 2. And this is cos 360 degree plus 60 means cos 60. What is the value of cos 60? Half. And that is cos 150 degree means this value minus root 3 by 2. And this is sin 360 plus 30 means that is minus root 3 by 2 sin 30 value half. So root 3 by 4 minus root 3 by 4 goes cancel, which is equal to 0. Therefore RHS. Then another question prove that sec 3 pi by 2, prove that sec 3 pi by 2 minus theta, 3 pi by 2 minus theta into sec pi by 2 minus theta minus tan 3 pi by 2 minus theta and tan pi by 2 plus theta, which plus 1 is equal to 0. Now write left hand side. Left hand side, sec 3 pi by 2 minus theta into sec 3 pi by 2 minus theta into sec pi by 2 minus theta minus tan 3 pi by 2 minus theta into tan pi by 2 plus theta. Clear? Plus 1. 3 pi by 2 minus theta lies in R quadrant and it is pi by 2 form. So sec changes to cosec. Due to third quadrant, sec 3 pi by 2 minus theta is equal to minus cosec theta. Again pi by 2 minus theta lies in first quadrant. So sec pi by 2 minus theta means in first quadrant all are positive. So sec pi by 2 minus theta means cosec theta. Here then tan 3 pi by 2 minus theta, 3 pi by 2 minus theta lies in third quadrant. So tan and cot are positive. So since it contains pi by 2 form, so tan changes to cot. This is cot theta. Again tan pi by 2 plus theta, pi by 2 plus theta lies in second quadrant. So it is negative. So this is minus cot theta plus 1. Clear? And this is minus cosec square theta minus cosec square theta plus cot square theta plus 1. We know 1 plus cot square theta. We know 1 plus cot square theta. This is cosec square theta. So minus cosec square theta plus cosec square theta. So was cancel. This is equal to 0. Clear? Now another question. Another question. Another question. Prove that sin q 180 degree plus a into tan 360 degree minus a into sec square 180 degree minus a whole divided by cos square 90 degree plus a into cosec square a into sin 180 degree minus a is equal to tan cube a. Now left hand side, sin cube 180 degree plus a into tan 360 degree minus a into sec square 180 degree minus a whole divided by cos square 90 degree plus a into cosec square a into sin 180 degree minus a. Again, what is the formula for sin 180 degree plus a? 180 degree plus a lies in third quadrant. So this is minus sin q. This is equal to minus sin q minus sin q. Tan 360 minus a. 360 minus a lies in four quadrants. So this is minus 10a. Minus 10a. Sec square 180 minus a. Since it is square, so it is always positive. 180 minus a means this is sec square a. Clear? And divided by this is also contains square, so always positive. 90 cos square 90 plus a means sin square a into cos square a. Sin 180 minus n means rise in second quadrant, so sin a plus sin a. Sin square sin, this is equal to sin q, then we can write here, that is sin q a minus minus plus into tan a into sec square a divided by sin q a into cosec square a. Sin q a cos cancel, and this is equal to tan a remain as it, and this is sec square a means 1 by cos square a. Clear? And this is cos square a means 1 by sin square a, that is equal to tan a, and this is sin square a by cos square a, which is equal to tan a into tan square a. So final answer is tan q a, which is equal to RHS. Clear? Then another question. Prove that cos theta divided by cos 2 pi minus theta. Cos 2 pi minus theta plus sin of minus theta divided by sin pi plus theta plus tan pi by 2 plus theta divided by cot of minus theta is equal to 3. The solution of the question is very easy. Right hand side cos theta divided by cos 2 pi minus theta. Again sin of minus theta divided by sin pi plus theta. Again tan pi by 2 plus theta divided by cot of minus theta. Cos theta divided by cos 2 pi minus theta lies in fourth quadrant, so it is cos theta. We know sin of minus theta minus sin theta divided by sin pi plus theta. Pi plus theta lies in third quadrant, so minus sin theta. Again tan pi by 2 plus theta. Tan pi by 2 plus theta lies in second quadrant, so this is minus cot theta divided by cot of minus theta minus cot theta. So this goes cancel 1 and this cancel so 1, and this cancel, so 1, that is equal to 3 RHS. Clear? And another question, if ABCD, another question, if ABCD is a cyclic quadrilateral, if ABCD is a cyclic quadrilateral, ABC is a cyclic quadrilateral, then prove that cos A plus cos B plus cos C plus cos D is equal to 0. Right? So, solution, given A, B, C, D is a cyclic quadrilateral. That means this is suppose this is A and B and this is C and D. In cyclic quadrilateral, sum of the opposite angle. In cyclic quadrilateral, sum of the opposite angle is equal to 180. That implies A plus C is equal to 180 degree. B plus D is equal to 180 degree. Now left hand sides, cos A plus cos B plus cos C plus cos D. What is here? That is cos A plus cos B, and what is C? Here C is equal to 180 degree minus A. Use this. That is cos 180 degree minus A, and this is plus D is equal to what? D is equal to 180 degree minus B. So apply this into plus cos 180 degree minus 180 degree minus, this is cos, C means 180 minus A and D means 180 minus B. Cos A plus cos B, cos 180 minus A means cos A, cos 180 minus B, this is minus cos, plus minus cos cancel, so this is equal to 0, which is equal to RHS, hence proved. Another question, if A plus B plus C is equal to pi, prove that tan B plus C plus tan C plus A plus tan A plus B divided by tan pi minus A plus tan 2 pi minus B, then tan 3 pi minus C is equal to 1. So write left hand side, given, first write given A plus B plus C is equal to pi. Then left hand side, tan B plus C plus tan C plus A plus tan A plus B divided by tan pi minus A plus tan 2 pi minus B plus tan 3 pi minus. What is here? B plus C. What is here from this? B plus C is equal to pi minus A. So we can write tan B plus C means tan pi minus A. And what is this? Tan C plus A. c plus a means that is 10 pi minus b, and this is 10 pi minus c whole divided by what is this? 10 pi minus a minus 10a, 10 pi 2 pi minus b minus 10b, 10 3 pi minus c minus 10c, again 10 minus pi minus a minus 10a, and this is minus 10b, and this is minus 10c, divided by minus 10a minus 10b minus 10c. So this numerator and denominator are equal, so goes cancel. This goes cancel, and this is equal to 1, which is equal to RHS. Then another question. In triangle ABC. Another question. In triangle ABC, prove that sin b plus c plus sin c plus a plus sin a plus b is equal to sin a plus sin b plus sin c. Sin a plus sin b plus sin c. Solution given in triangle ABC, that is a plus b plus c is equal to 180 degree. Then write left hand side. Sin b plus c plus sin c plus a plus sin a plus b. Clear? B plus c means what? 180 degree minus a. So sin 180 degree minus a, and this is sin 180 degree minus b, and this is sin 180 degree minus c. So sin 180 degree minus a, that is sin 180 degree minus a. 180 degree minus a lies in second quadrant, so it is sin a. Similarly, this is sin b, and this is sin c. As proved, this is RHS. Clear? Now another question. Find the value of cot pi by 20 into cot 3 pi by 20 into cot 5 pi by 20 into cot 7 pi by 20 into cot 9 pi by 20. Find its value. Pi by 20 is equal to what radian? This is equal to 180 degree by 20. This is 9 degree. Pi by 20 means 9 degree. So this is equal to solution cot pi by 20 into cot 3 pi by 20 into cot 5 pi by 20 into cot 7 pi by 20 into this is cot and cot 9 pi by 20. Right? This is equal to cot 9 cot 27 degree This is cot 9 degree, cot 27 degree, and this is cot 45 degree, and this is cot 63 degree, and this is cot 81 degree. Below cot 81, this is cot 9 degree, and this is cot 27 degree. This is cot 45 degree means 1, and cos 63 means we can write 63 minus 27. This is 10. This is cot 90 degree minus 27 degree, and this is cot 90 degree minus 90 degree. This is equal to cot 9 degree, cot 27 degree into 1. This is equal to 10 27 degree into 10 90, or this is equal to cot 9 degree, cot 27 degree, and this is equal to 1 by cot 27 degree and 1 by cot 9 degree. Goes cancel, this goes cancel, which is equal to 1. So its value is 1. Similarly, what is the value of? Similarly, what is the value of? What is the value of? Value of 10 pi by 20, 10 3 pi by 20, 10 5 pi by 20, 10 7 pi by 20 into 10 9 pi by 20. What is the value of this? Obviously, similarly, using the previous concept, so answer is for 1 mark. Answer is 1. For 1 mark, this is question. These are 10 or parts. This is also 1. In place of 10, we write cot or 10. Both answer is 1. Another question. If 1 plus, another question, 1 plus 4x square minus 4x into sec theta, 4x into sec theta is equal to 0, then prove that sec theta plus tan theta, then prove that sec theta plus tan theta is equal to 2x or 1 by 2x. 2x or 1 by 2x. The solution of the question is very easy. Now solution. Given, we can write this is x 4x square minus 4 into sec theta into x plus 1 is equal to 0. This is quadratic equation, right? This is quadratic equation in the form of ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Then x is equal to minus b plus or minus b square minus 4ac by 2a. Apply this formula. Here a is equal to what? A is equal to 4, b is equal to minus 4 sec theta, and c is equal to 1. Now x is equal to minus b means 4 sec theta plus or minus b square means 16 sec square theta minus 4 AC, 4 into 4, that is 16 by 2 into 4, right? This is equal to 4 sec theta plus or minus root over 16 take common 16. This is equal to sec square theta minus 1 divided by 8. Clear? And this is equal to 4 sec theta plus or minus, this is 16 root over means 4 sec square theta minus 1. Tan square theta is root over tan theta divided by 8. Divide by 8. Now x is equal to what? For common here, this is sec theta plus or minus tan theta divided by 8. 4 2s are 8, that is 2. Now 2x is equal to what? 2x is equal to sec theta plus tan theta, or 2x is equal to sec theta minus tan theta. Clear? And this is rationalized. Now 2x is equal to this. Now 1 by 2x is equal to what? Now 1 by 2x is equal to what? Suppose here 2x is equal to, now 2x is equal to what? Sec theta plus tan theta. 1 by 2x is equal to what? 1 by sec theta plus tan theta. Or suppose this is minus, you take minus here, so 1 by 2x is equal to, this is one proof, and for another, now 2x equal to sec theta minus tan theta. Clear? And rationalize it. 1 by 2x is equal to what? Here 1 means sec square theta, or multiply sec theta plus tan theta. This is sec theta minus tan theta, and this is sec theta plus tan theta. Clear? So this is equal to 1 by 2x is equal to 1 by 2x is equal to what? This is equal to sec theta plus tan theta divided by sec square theta minus tan square theta. So 1 by 2x is equal to obviously sec theta plus tan theta. Suppose this is 1 and this is 2, and this is 2 from 1 and 2. From 1 and 2, sec theta plus tan theta is equal to 2x or 1 by 2x. Hence put. Then another question. Find the value of log of tan pi by 20, tan 3 pi by 20, tan 5 pi by 20, tan 7 pi by 20, tan 9 pi by 20. Find the value of this. Solution. This is 1 mark. Answer. What is this value of this? Value of this. So this is 1, value of log 1. In log formula log of 1 is equal to 0. So answer is 0. Thank you. Have a nice day.